Django-admin intermittently returning 404 on model edit. We are using the Django-admin to maintain some data that's exported to a few of our sites. Sometimes when clicking through the standard change list view to get a model edit form, instead of being routed to the correct page, we're getting the Django 404 page/template. It was happening somewhat sporadically, and we could for a while reproduce it by reloading 3 times. First F5, 404. Second F5, 404. Third F5, object change form loads correctly. But lately it's been returning 404 more often than not. It seems to reduce the odds of returning 404 when we bounce Apache gracefully, and gets worse, again, seemingly, with more requests. Running Django 1.2.1 on fast CGI/MySQL 5.1.x. For what it's worth, I can't reproduce the problem on my VM, but I'm running mod_whiskey there and have debug equals true set in the settings. Otherwise the code and database is identical.
See if the alternate whiskey script at the end of this URL makes a difference. I had the same problem. The solution for me was to move my calls to admin.site.register to admin.py. With debug set to false, your models are lazily loaded, so the registration calls don't always get made. Apparently admin.py is always loaded at init time, however.
I had same problem until last week. After I tracked this error for a couple of months, and I found 404 raising at Django source code, I modified the file. @_object, method of module-admin class. Note, I used Django 1.3.1. Somehow Django cannot find object with pk_object_id in query set. So I modified it like this. I know it's not a good thing to change something in Django source, so use at your own risk.
Перевоз, почему? Пусть локинг SSI.